So now we're gonna make the brine for the turkey. And this is, you know, a brine is just gonna actually, you know, add more moisture into the bird. And, you know, obviously, you know, we've all had our dry turkey breast experiences, and we're gonna try to eliminate that by brining it. Now, I'm just gonna take some water and some salt and some sugar, and it's about twice the amount of salt as it is to sugar. And just mix this up, and basically this is the brine. If you wanted to put like fresh herbs and black peppercorns and juniper berries and all that kind of stuff, you can put that in there as well to add more flavor. But we're gonna have so much flavor on this turkey, I don't think we need to worry about that right this second. So we're gonna take our turkey breast and just put it right into the brine. Now this is gonna be like a quick brine. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. I mean, literally, if you wanted to, you could do this for 24 hours or even 48 hours. And the longer you brine it, the better it's gonna be. Now we've brined the turkey breast for about an hour, and we're gonna make a Spanish-style spice rub, something I do at Bolo, so it's got that Spanish flavor. We got some paprika and some fennel seed, so it tastes a little bit like licorice. Some cumin, very earthy. Some black pepper, peppery, and some mustard. A little salt. And spice rubs are really a great way to infuse flavor into things, especially when you're grilling. So we're just gonna take a little bit of oil right on top of the skin of the breast. Season it with some salt and pepper, even though we're putting a spice rub on. It's a very dense piece of meat. Want lots of flavor on there. And we're just gonna sprinkle some of the spice rub on, okay? I'm gonna take our turkey breast, skin side, spice side down. All right, we're gonna cover this up. All right, while that's cooking, we can make our sour orange sauce. So come on over to the grill. Okay, so we're gonna start with onions and garlic for the sour orange sauce. Onions and garlic. And then we need orange juice. A little bit of lime juice, which makes it sour orange. Then we're gonna take a little bit of some honey. This is gonna add some sweetness and also thicken it up a little bit. Some salt and pepper. And we're gonna let this cook. We're gonna let it come to a boil and then turn it down to a simmer and then reduce it down until it becomes like a glaze. And then we can puree it, and that's gonna be our sour orange sauce to go with our turkey. Okay, so we got our turkey breast that's been resting for about 10 minutes now. So basically what I like to do is just like, I like to cut across the turkey breast this way as opposed to slicing it down like, you know, like your old Uncle Harry might have done. I just like the big, thicker slices with the nice, crusty, crispy skin on the outside so that each piece has a nice piece of skin that protects it. And then you can put it right back on the plate, basically in the same shape. Just like that. And then you can just sort of open it up a little bit. Kind of follow the contour of the plate. And then we're gonna take our sour orange sauce that we made. Remember with the sauce with the orange and the lime and the onions and the garlic. We're just gonna pour the sour orange sauce right on top. You know, in place of, you know, the old school gravy.